Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video is paano ba i-check o i-test yung neutral tsaka live ng isang convenience outlet. So as you can see, here is the convenience outlet. So paano malalaman ng neutral at tsaka live? So how to test or check? So using the electric tester screwdriver. So ito yung electric tester screwdriver. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa pag-test or pag-check ng neutral tsaka live. Then let's check. So unahin natin yung left side. So saksak na natin sa butas. Then touch the head of the screwdriver. So as you can see, wala pong ilaw. So wala pong power indicator. Then other side. So there is a light. So umiilaw yung power indicator ng screwdriver. So it means this is the live. So ito yung live natin. So as you can see the light. So may ilaw. Then dito sa left side, so wala. So there is no power indicator. So ito yung neutral, ang left side. Then the right side, so umiilaw yung power indicator. There is a light. So ito yung live natin, live side. So as you can see the light, the power indicator, umiilaw. So ganun lang kasimple pag check ng live at saka neutral. Thank you.